We are live, and I've written about this information systems fail in our ELC lessons on demand registration system. And just now I've discovered new information which helps me to understand the situation in greater detail. Let me actually explain what the problems are by taking you on a tour of the system. So you go down here to this link on our website, and then I'm going to log in, and I'm going to use a dummy account. Okay. Okay, first of all, I still don't know why students have to register with the ELC at the beginning of each academic year. I don't know why there's this extra obstruction, this extra hurdle to sign up for lessons on demand and SAC worksheets. SAC workshops. Okay, now let's actually go to the lessons on demand calendar. And what I had been writing about before in this blog post is the inconsistency in the schedule. For example, it seems as though there are some dates missing from the LOD calendar. So where there should be dates, for example here, Thursday and Friday, there are none. And I was wondering why. And in addition, I was wondering why dates that weren't on the paper calendar, in fact, have found themselves available here. For example, on Monday at 8:30 to 9, from 8:30 to 10:20. So this is the situation, as Josette eloquently explained to me. These extra dates, in fact, were a test that she did to the system. As for the missing dates, in fact, they are missing because the registration deadline has already passed. The problem with this fact is, well, the reality that nowhere on the website nor in the interface, save for when you actually click on something, do you actually know what the lead time is. So students don't actually know that they must register at least 2 academic weeks before their planned lesson on demand. And the only way to actually know this is to successfully click on an available. However, when my students and I were working through this calendar, we just didn't know. There's no information here to tell us that there's a 2-week lead time, and if you don't make that lead time, then the workshops mysteriously disappear. That's why these things have been disappearing, because the lead time has already expired, and thus they are taken away, and we just don't know unless we manage to click on something in week 10 and we realize, okay, 2-week lead time. So this is actually what we need to do, I believe. First of all, Lewis said that a student helper programmed this registration system. So we may need to hire another student helper to reprogram this. Josette has been complaining about this for years, as she told me, and I think we really need to consider this as a worthwhile project. Furthermore, per Josette's recommendations, we should hide the weeks that have expired. And we should also be able to manually change the lead time so it's actually not 2 weeks. But in order to do that, we have to figure out how much lead time do instructor 2s need in order to prepare for lessons on demand. I think 2 academic weeks is excessive. And finally, we have to be able to tell students either on this page or on this page that the lead time is in fact 2 weeks.